Want to sound like a native speaker? Then stop using very. Use these words. 1. Basic English, I am very happy. Advanced English, I am delighted. Example, I am delighted to see you. I am delighted to see you. 2. Don't say, I am very sad. Say, I am devastated. Example, I am devastated after the news. I am devastated after the news. 3. Don't say, I am very angry. Say, I am furious. Example, I am furious about the mistake you made. I am furious about the mistake you made. 4. Don't say, I am very scared. Say, I am terrified. Example, I am terrified of the dark. I am terrified of the dark. 5. Don't say, I am very excited. Say, I am thrilled. Example, I am thrilled about this opportunity. I am thrilled about this opportunity. 6. Don't say, I am very tired. Say, I am exhausted. Example, I am exhausted after work. I am exhausted after work. 7. Don't say, I am very hungry. Say, I am starving. Example, I am starving right now. I am starving right now. 8. Don't say, I am very thirsty. Say, I am parched. Example, I am parched after my morning run. I am parched after my morning run. 9. Don't say, I am very busy. Say, I am occupied. Example, I am occupied with several projects today. I am occupied with several projects today. 10. Don't say, I am very bored. Say, I am bored stiff. Example, I am bored stiff during the lecture. I am bored stiff during the lecture. 11. Don't say, I am big. Say, I am massive. Example, I am massive compared to the statue. I am massive compared to the statue. 12. Don't say, I am very small. Say, I am tiny. Example, I am tiny compared to this little bird. I am tiny compared to this little bird. 13. Don't say, I am very fast. Say, I am swift. Example, I am swift in every race I run. I am swift in every race I run. 14. Don't say, I am very slow. Say, I am sluggish. Example, I am sluggish when I have to do homework. I am sluggish when I have to do homework. 15. Don't say, I am very hot. Say, I am scorching. Example, I am scorching after walking under the sun. I am scorching after walking under the sun. 16. Don't say, I am very cold. Say, I am freezing. Example, I am freezing this morning. I am freezing this morning. 17. Don't say, I am very clean. Say, I am spotless. Example, I am spotless after cleaning the whole house. I am spotless after cleaning the whole house. 18. Don't say, I am very dirty. Say, I am filthy. Example, I am filthy after playing in the mud. I am filthy after playing in the mud. 19. Don't say, I am very loud. Say, I am deafening. Example, I am deafening at concerts. I am deafening at concerts. 20. Don't say, I am very quiet. Say, I am silent. Example, I am silent while everyone is studying. I am silent while everyone is studying. Click, listen, and learn with me. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of learners who love stories and English just as much as you do. Join now and let's learn all about English together.